Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you are doing well and that you have a great day. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some news about MicroStrategy, some news about Bitcoin, Bitcoin price. We got like some chart like about like investors in cryptocurrency and more. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned until the end of this video. So let's start with the first news. Bitcoin price risk losing critical technical level as stocks under pressure. US stocks have started to correct as worries surrounding the pandemics are mounting. Meanwhile, the Bitcoin price has pulled back below $18,800 on December 8th after struggling to break resistance at $19,500. Yep, market analysts say that Bitcoin is currently level that could dictate its short-term price directions. Generally, analysts point towards the 19,500 to 1960 $600 range as the important resistance area in the foreseeable future. This is true because we try to break through those, and that's make like a huge resistance near to the all-time high. So hopefully here it's gonna be the support, and we're gonna see if it's playing out to going back up or if we have more downturn. Ethereum same, we're gonna see. It's been now like around like 570. It used to be at around $600. Yeah, so we're gonna see total market cap is at $565 billion, and currently Bitcoin is at $18,786. So next news about MicroStrategy selling $400 million in debt securities to buy Bitcoins. MicroStrategy already on 40,824 Bitcoins. It's a lot of buy. It's a big buy, guys. More than any other public companies. Business intelligence company MicroStrategy plan to sell $400 million of convertible senior notes in private sale. So Michael Saylor, he's a guy, apparently wants more. Who doesn't want more Bitcoins? Let me know. So what is it? So a convertible note is a debt security that allows the holders to convert the value into cash, shares in the companies, or a combination of the two. That's good to know. Holders received interest on the notes, which mature in December 2025. Twice a year, MicroStrategy can buy out the notes in cash in December 2023. So that was the news about MicroStrategies who want to buy more Bitcoins. Next up, it's news about Winklevoss twins. Bitcoin market caps will flip gold. So that's their thoughts. The twins note that say $500,000 prediction, is predicated on the assumptions that Bitcoin's market cap will increase by 40 times to surpass gold, roughly $9 trillion market cap in the future. And keep in mind, it's totally possible with times. Cameron pointed to the tremendous amount of money printing going on in debt and fiat regimes and concerns surrounding inflation as driving up demands for hard assets like gold and bitcoins, especially in 2020 where you see all this money being printed. Of course, like smart money and people who want to save uh, their wealth, they're gonna go around like and try to get more gold and bitcoins. Bitcoins offer significant advantage over gold as a monetary commodity, such as it is to transfer an immunity to external forces influencing the rates of its production. Yeah, because government can do nothing about it. Any company cannot do anything about it. You cannot print more than 21 million bitcoins, and that's the things with that, and that's why it's like really strong position as we can call hard assets. So for sure, there is like a really like real potential to get above $9 trillion market cap in the future for Bitcoin, and like they say, flip gold. So yeah, next up, it's just a little short just to remind you that we are early adopters, and early adopters always wins. So we are actually like around there, you know. Is that maybe early majority, maybe after the next bull run? But keep in mind, guys, we are still early, and you are already in this train to going up. So congrats to everyone who's been working hard to learn the way to how the money works, and how to put like some good investments. Next up, investor splits over where Bitcoin goes next as market cool. So as we discussed just like a bit earlier, investors are split over where Bitcoin's price will head next. Market have cooled over the last 7 days, with smaller market cap projects feeling the pinch. And Nasdaq has a record-breaking a day as investors wait out for COVID. So that's why in the stock market it's a bit not panicking, but they are uncertain where the market's going, and if usually the traditional market doesn't doing well, cryptocurrency market tend to follow it too. So we're gonna see how it will play. So that was the news about it, and just a quick reminder about the fear and greed index. So today we are 95, so we are still like extreme greed. So keep that in mind. And when people are greedy, you need to be fearful. And when people are fearful, you must to be greedy. So keep in mind that we may be like we already get like the rejection. So now we try to get and bounce back on a support. But we maybe get more down, going down in the price of Bitcoin or any other like Ethereum or other cryptocurrency. So keep that in mind. It's not a shame to take profits if we're going down. Just DCA, dollar cost averaging. But keep in mind that we've been like going up for a few weeks now, and sometime a healthy pullback. Especially if the market is uncertain that where should we go. um, so keep in mind, risk management is really important. You need to know what you need to do with your money. Next up, once again, like very important, you know, and I'm sure you already seen it. Otherwise, check it out. Psychology of market cycles. Yeah, it's really important to follow. It's like by emotion, you know. You got like hope, disbeliefs, optimism, beliefs, thrill, euphoria. Usually, it's like in the peak during the bull market, and then you've got like a complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, anger, depression, and beliefs. And once again, that's work by cycles. So for example, Bitcoin cycles usually is work by 4 years, a bit longer every cycles. It's taking longer and longer, but you get the points. Like usually like for Bitcoin. So we had like kind of bear market for a while. And if you've been here for a while and you hold it, you know, and you're still in this market, first of all, just congratulations. You are the boy, man. but the thing is like you know what does it mean, like when you're hoping that it's going up and boom, it's crashing and you're on disbeliefs. But when we got the first support before the trend's going up again, we call it capitulation, where usually it's like that's the thing, it's like people gonna buy high and it's gonna sell low. But you have to do the inverse, like you have to buy low and you have to sell high. But the thing, you never and you cannot predict the market, and you cannot predict the top and the bottom. So that's why you need to dollar cost averaging on the way up and on the way down to like I say, just to manage your wealth and your risk management. Really, really important. Yeah, if you like it, just like encourage you to subscribe in this channel to learn a bit more about crypto every day. And have a look this one about Plan B. So Plan B shows a chart like it's about like the 200 weekly moving average. And it's like around like $7,500 on a monthly increase of 5.5%. So, like he said, and I do quote, it looked like late 2016, early 2017. So, I'm gonna zoom it for you. Yeah, you see. So, 19, like I say, boom, bottom, second bottom. That's when was the Corona up came. And now, boom, you're on the uptrend, and we're gonna see, they had like as well the halving too. So yeah, we're gonna see, but keep in mind that the 200 weekly moving average, it's keeping up and going up. So that's a good sign, in a way that usually it's we just touched like barely like a few times, and it's really like once in a while, like after years. So if it's going up, like that's mean that we are less chance to go like for example, it would never go happen to go back in 3 grand, you know what I mean? Like now 7.5. But yeah, so that's like really critical support. Moving average 200 is really important in cryptocurrency. So yeah, so that was all the news about today's. For more video like this one, like I say, just leave a like, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Think Crypto Daily. And thanks for watching, and talk to you soon, guys. Have a good day. Goodbye.